So now we're checking out the native stingless bees, and they've got two different species here, and they're in very small boxes, as you can see, and they're really tiny and they're buzzing around, and you can see them coming in and out of the little entrance, making their very strong dark honey, which is called colloquially sugarbag. Extremely medicinal and strong honey, and they're in the shade here of a beautiful female carrot tree, like mine at home. So I'm checking out the bok choy here at the Botanic Gardens kitchen garden, and they've got a really good little example, but they probably need a few more, of a fake butterfly, and you can make, or cabbage moth I should say, and you can make these more simple ones out of white plastic ice cream lids, things like that, and then you pop them in. Ideally you have them so that they float on a little stick or skewer a little bit above your bok choy or any of your brassicas. And of course cabbage moth are not so much of an issue in the cooler months, but you can also, if you're concerned, you can just look on the underside of the leaves and you can look for very, very tiny green dotted eggs, which I can't see any here at the moment, and you can just squash those. These are in really good nick anyway. And this is like leftover Christmas tinsel made into a bird scarer. Very handy for these giant bush turkeys here that are eating all the greens.